Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll share with you another airdrop opportunity and the project is called Altius. So what's the offer? Altius is a high performance execution system that enhances any blockchain, boosting its ecosystem's efficiency and success. If you want, you can visit their website to find more details about their project. As for the funding, they have already raised 11 million and their status is confirmed, which is great. Also, if you look at their investors, you will see Pantera Capital in their list of investors, along with some tier 2, 3 and 4 investors. If you visit their X profile, you'll see they have 120k followers right now. Also, they are really active here to build a strong community, which is another positive sign. Before joining, if you still haven't joined our Telegram channel, then you're missing lots of updates related to crypto and airdrops. I'll put the link in the description so you can join right now. So to join the airdrop, first you need to join their Discord and claim the early bird role. I'll provide the link in the description so you can check. First, accept the invite. Then click here on complete, then agree to the terms and submit. Now click verify, then continue, again continue, then solve the captcha and you're verified. Now you need to interact to earn the early bird role, so click here, type your message and done. Then again click here and type any message you want, then enter. So interact here as much as you can. Then after that, here as you can see is the early bird role. You also need to claim this role. After that, you need to come to this page. I'll also provide the link in the description. So after landing here, scroll down to the bottom. Then here you need to enter your X profile username. Then click on verify. And then after seeing the screen and after verified, you need to click here on start quiz. After that, you will have to answer 15 quick quiz questions. Each question gives you only 20 seconds to answer, so don't worry if you give a wrong answer, you can try again. After giving all the answers based on your correct answers, you will see your Altius IQ score. Here my score is only 92. If you want, you can download this. After closing the quiz, you will see the highest IQ score, how many participants joined, and the average IQ score. Mine was lower, but that's fine. You can retry to improve your score. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, then feel free to ask in the comment section. If you're new to this channel, then please like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next one. Goodbye.